MONDE has thousands of accessories for excavators. Today we will take you to learn about our hydraulic eagle shear. Our shears are suitable for excavators from 10 to 110 tons and can be installed on booms or arms according to your actual needs. Let's take this eagle shear as an example. This one suitable for 20 to 30 ton excavators fitted on arm end. It is 2970 millimeters long, 800 millimeters wide with 2500 kilograms, maximum opening of 550 millimeters and a maximum shear force of 350 tons. No matter processing of steel structures, scrap steel, or the dismantling of cars and ships can all be easily cut.